The sound case, developed by Phillips Fundamental Learning Center, revolutionizes the way literacy is taught to young children. The sound case isn't just about teaching children how sounds map to letters, what we know as phonics. It's about unlocking the magic of words, fostering curiosity, and nurturing confident learners. The Phillips Fundamental Learning Center recognizes and understands there is a significant literacy gap. We believe learning to read and teaching children to read should be a fun and engaging experience that sets the stage for a lifelong love of learning. The sound case is more than just a product. It's a transformative approach to learning.
I've seen such a remarkable change in my child's understanding of how print relates to speech. It's engaging, interactive, and has made my instruction and his learning to read an enjoyable journey. As a mother navigating the reading journey with my resistant child, I've been searching for something at the forefront of scientifically proven methods. The urgency of finding something that actually worked hit home for a parent like me. My child is smart, capable, and has conquered learning to read, but this kind of success hinged on me finding a carefully structured approach for both him and me. Through this process, I've learned that when the wrong methods are applied, it's heartbreaking to see them struggle. The sound case is the solution.
With the sound case, teachers are finding what works. They are embracing innovative and proven tools, as well as long-known basic principles that adapt to each child's unique pace and potential.
I'm a dyslexia interventionist. I've struggled for years knowing classroom reading curricula has moved from whole language instruction to balanced literacy, with both approaches teaching children to look at words and guess. Phonics has not been taught for many years, not only to children, but also educators have not learned critical methods for teaching phonics. I found great relief using the sound case. It provides the language structure, proven literacy elements, phonological awareness, phonics, vocabulary development, comprehension, and fluency, and the tools and resources necessary for my students to learn in a developmentally appropriate way. And it's fun.
With a meticulously crafted, easy-to-follow curriculum, engaging activities, and a supportive community of educators, parents, and students, the sound case ensures that children not only learn to read, but also develop a lifelong love for learning. Let's take a sneak peek into how the sound case works. Inside the sound case, you'll find an array of interactive tools designed to build a strong foundation in phonics, content vocabulary, and comprehension skills, not to mention handwriting development and word spelling knowledge. Take the See and Sound card, for instance. Each card features a vibrant image paired with the corresponding sound, helping children connect letters with their sounds effortlessly. Here's an example. I'll start with the first card, the most common sound in the English language. It's the short I sound, as heard in the word igloo. The colorful blocks provide the kinesthetic movement that connects the sounds to memory, a hands-on approach to forming words, allowing children to blend sounds and build confidence in their reading, writing, and spelling abilities. And here's where it all begins. Face-to-face development of language enrichment, where learning to read and connection to print first begins. Adults reading a book aloud to children, using the dialogic approach. The award-winning children's books that were selected to introduce each keyword concept were chosen to develop age-appropriate language skills, words, and concepts, ensuring your child progresses at their own pace.
We focus on the building blocks of words when students are playing rhyming games and clapping out individual syllables. Everyone's learning to associate sounds to letters, so we're no longer teaching children to guess what the word is.
The sound case isn't just about teaching children how to read, it's about equipping them with the tools to become confident and independent learners.
With the sound case, learning to read becomes an adventure, one that sparks curiosity, builds skills, and lays the foundation for a lifelong love of learning.
Join us in transforming your child's reading journey. Visit funlearn.org/soundcase to explore how the sound case can make a difference in your child's education. The sound case. Unleash the power of reading.